Okay. Okay. Very good morning. Very good morning. Welcome to all of you. Fine. So let's start the class. Yesterday we discussed the most important chapter, that is prehistoric period, or we can say the Stone Age. How human make their survival possible with the help of stones. They developed various weapons and tools with the help of stones, and around 5 lakh year they survived only with the help of stone. And later, now they make groupings, they forms villages, and we move towards the Indus Valley civilization. Any students have any doubt from the last class? So put your doubt in the comment section. If you have any doubt, just put in the comment section. Okay, fantastic. Very good. Very good. So yesterday, as I told you, that the Bronze Age or Chalcolithic. Chalcolithic, that means stone plus copper, and bronze. Bronze is a alloy metal, as I was told you, with developed with the mixture of tin and copper. So this whole civilization is divided into three parts. One is before or earlier Harappa, the second one is mature or Harappa civilization, and the next one is later Harappa or after Harappa, as we can see. And yesterday I was discussed about the pre-Harappa or before Harappa. There are some important regions. They are on the very basic level of civilization. They have grass huts, mud houses, they use copper, and just started the use of bronze, etc. And then the developed version found is with the name of Indus Valley civilization, or we can say the Harappa civilization. So today we are going with Harappa civilization, then we move towards the after Harappa civilization. So in this map, I hope you can easily see all the locations in this map. The highlighted region in this map with the pink color or likewise pink color, this is the region of Harappa civilization or Indus Valley civilization. Presently, this whole, the sites of this civilization expanded into three countries: India, Pakistan, and some parts of Afghanistan. As you can say, this line is the boundary line of Pakistan. So in the west of Pakistan, there is Afghanistan, and this is India. Presently, we have found more than 2000 sites, Harappa sites. Though some sites are very small, but the most important sites are also 1400 plus, and around 900 plus sites in India. Rest all is in Pakistan. If we talk about the first site, the largest site, so here are some facts. First of all, Harappa civilization, or also known as Indus Valley civilization. Harappa, because Harappa was the first site that was excavated, that was found in 1921. I was told you yesterday about two names, John Marshall and Dayaram Sahni or DR Sahni. John Marshall was the Director General of ASI at that time in 1921, and Dayaram Sahni was a student scholar, history scholar under Marshall. So Bronze Age civilization is one fact. Second is the name of the civilization is Harappa as well as Indus Valley civilization, because this whole civilization is developed in the Indus Valley river basin. Here is a word river basin. So who are aware about what is river basin, let me give me answer in the comment. What do you mean from the word river basin? Actually, I am saying you again and again for the comments. So it shows me that yes, you are alive, you are aware. Side to river. Okay, good. Other students, always make comment. Doesn't matter you are uh, correct or not correct. The important thing is that you are participate in the topic. So you have to participate in the topic during the discussion. Okay, don't worry. Make silly mistakes, but make mistakes in the classroom, not in the examination hall. Okay, good. So yes, you are somehow correct. River basin, making the river sides as base. Okay, so the river basin, that means the whole region from where river received water. That means this is Indus River. Indus River received, there are various tributaries of this river. So all these rivers from which any water stream, this main river received water, this whole region is known as the river basin of that particular river. Okay, so there are 5+ rivers, 5+ major or bigger rivers, and many are very small or very short scale rivers. This whole region is known as river basin. So the basic basis of this civilization is this river basin. That's why this is also known as Indus Valley civilization. Second thing, this is this only civilization at that time in the world? Obviously not. There are certain other civilizations too that are existing in the various region of the world, and they are also on their peak according to their level, according to their development. For example, there are three very prominent civilization at that time, which we can say the contemporary civilization to Indus Valley. First is Mesopotamia civilization. Maybe you hear about this. This civilization develops in Iraq. There are two important rivers named Tigris and Euphrates. Same, there is another civilization known as Egyptian civilization or Nile civilization, which developed around Nile River. One of the very famous river was Nile River. And another important civilization was Hongho civilization. Hongho civilization uh, was developed in China. Presently, that region is known as Yellow River. In some books, also use the word Hongho River. There are various names of that river. So these three civilizations are contemporary to this civilization. That means Indus Valley civilization. Okay, very good. What is the time period for Indus Valley civilization? So the most common used time period was 2350, that is 2350 to 1750 BC. That means till 500 years, this civilization was in its peak, in its bloom, full bloom, in its mature period. Though various historians have various theories, they have their own opinions about the time period, but this is the most uh, which make most consent, that is time period is 2350. Okay, so uh, we will receive all these things in the notes form, but try to make some footnotes with the class. This map is very important, you have to remember about this map. Now, yesterday I was told you about the extension of Indus Valley civilization from east, west, north, south point. We already written. There are some other important facts that this civilization was triangular in shape. Now you can say how this is triangular. So you can easily say this is the westernmost point. Likewise triangular. Okay. So this is in triangular in shape. The average area of this civilization is around 13 lakh square kilometer. This is the exact figure, but continuously this figure is expanded due to excavation of new sites. Though now new sites are not found outside of this boundary, generally they are excavated in the same region, but still 13 lakh square kilometer is the area of the civilization. If we're talking about the present area of the area of present India, so what is the area of present India? We have 28 states, various UTs. So what is the area of that India present in today date? Very good, very good. There is an answer by Sai Channa. I think name is not proper visible to me. Okay, 3.2 million square. Very good. Yes, correct answer. So at that time, 13 lakh square kilometer. That means a very bigger region. Okay. Then what is the largest site of this civilization? This is Rakhi Gadi, which is found or presently located in the Haryana state in the district Hisar. Okay. And if we're talking about the very smallest site of this whole civilization, because there are 2000 plus sites found of this civilization. So the smallest site is Alhadino. Alhadino was a very small village near about Karachi. Karachi was a famous city of Pakistan found on the Arabian Sea coast. So from the 40 kilometer east from Karachi, this village found Alhadino. This is smallest site of this civilization, only with the size of 1.4 hectare. Though this is very small, but very settled site, and probably around 2000 BC, this site was abandoned by the humans. Then, which is the newest site of this civilization? So, the newest site, which is found very recently by the Oxford University historian scholars, that was Morodharo. Morodharo is in Gujarat, and Morodharo is a Gujarati word, a word in the Gujarati language, found near about Dholavira. Dholavira is a very famous site. We will discuss about that. Okay, so Morodharo means less salty and potable water. So this site was found around here. Okay, you can see Dholavira. No, Dholavira not is in map. Okay, no issue. So there are some important facts which you have to remember.